This is my Homelite Super Mini SL chainsaw piston, and I took been taking the engine apart, and I just want to record kind of my findings of this engine. I don't believe it's ever been opened. I don't know the history of the engine at all, so I just like to try to actually diagnose the state of this piston here. The only concerning parts to me, you can see the actual piston ring is scored right there, as well as pretty decent towards the intake side right there. You can see it's chipped, scored there up on the top, and also there's some debris. So what I'm thinking either must have happened, either something made its way into the intake valve, or the intake slipped past the reed valves and got in there, found its way to the top, and then just kind of knocked around. That may have happened. Something may have dropped in from a previous service. There may have been a lot of carbon. I scraped off some of the carbon on top. There was a lot of carbon buildup. Doesn't seem like the saw was run with raw gas, because there was a lot of oil in the inside of this that I cleaned out. So I don't think that that was the problem. It may have been running too rich, leading to an excessive carbon buildup, and maybe that solidified and caused scoring. I'm not sure. You do though see on the side some burn marks, so maybe at some point it ran with raw gas. I'm not sure, so I'd like to get your thoughts and opinions on the state of this, whether or not you think I have to replace this. Again, the biggest concern is the chipping on the top. I don't know if that would continue, because there are some cracks right there, so strong possibility that those may continue to chip and then bounce around and completely break my top end of this and score the cylinder. This is also a little bit of a concern too, the scoring on the top of the cylinder here. We may lose a little bit of compression due to that, because you can see it's kind of clear around the side. I don't know. I'd like to get your thoughts on this one. So thanks for checking this out.